Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to see who added you back on the Yubo app. So if you want to see who added you back on the Yubo app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Yubo app on a device. So if you don't know where to install it from, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Yubo app, and as you can see, this is the home page of Yubo, where you will see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the option which says swipe and near you at the very upper taskbar. Now to see who added you on the Yubo app, click on the option of message, and if they have added you, then you will be able to see it on the message icon, and you may also simply talk with them. And if you go on the reaction section, you will be able to see the number of reaction which people have given you. And if you go on the activity section or thunder like icon at the very bottom taskbar, you will be able to see the option which says added you. So if you click on the option of video, you will be able to see the number of people who have viewed you also. So if you want to see who added you just need to click on the option of view everyone with the power pack. And if you don't want to purchase this power pack by paying a certain amount of price, you just need to take a random guess, and you just need to make sure that the profile icon or the background of the profile icon matches with the profile icon that you are seeing on the screen. So if you think that this profile icon is same with the profile icon which you see on the explore page or the swipe page of the Yubo app, then you may simply swipe right to the person and you will be able to know who have added you on the Yubo app. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.